Welcome and thank you for joining this tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to personalize your table views by saving filters and column adjustments as reusable views, making your daily work more efficient and tailored to your needs. We will use the Sales Quotations again as our example. To begin, please click the Sales tab in the page navigation. Then, select the Sales Quotations tile to access the overview list. You now see the overview of all quotations. As shown in the last videos of this series, I will now add a filter and adjust the table by adding the document owner to the table. If you don't know how to do this, please watch previous videos of the series for detailed instructions on filtering and table customization. I've added now the two changes to the page. There are the owners in the table and also the printed filter in the filter section. Now we want to save this as a default view to quickly access it in the future. The SAP default view we are using now is the All Sales Quotations view, we can see on the top left of the page. When we have a detailed look into this, we see the asterisk symbol next to the name of the view. This means a view change has been made and this one hasn't been saved so far. Now we want to save this view. To do this, we click the arrow down next to the name of the current view. We see now all the available views. In our example, there are only SAP standard views available. To save your current settings, you can simply press Save As. You can now give your new view a name. In our example, we name the view All Sales Quotations with printed and owner. Make sure you give this view a meaningful name for you and your organization. This is important to keep the overview. You also have the option to make this a default view for you, so it opens directly with these predefined settings when you open the Sales Quotations overview. Depending on your permissions, you also can make this view public so everyone in your organization can access and select your view. When you are satisfied with the name and the settings, press Save. The view has been saved and directly loaded, the asterisk symbol is removed and you are able to select this view whenever you need it. To manage and update the views, for example renaming or make another one to default, we have to press the arrow down again. You now see all the views including your newly created one. To change name and settings, press the Manage button on the bottom right of the menu. In the opened card overlay, you have now a detailed overview about all available views. You can see all views and update the name of your created views. You can see if the view is public or only private for you. You can see the current default view for you and may update the default settings. You can see the person who created this view. You are also able to delete your created view to keep a better overview. In our example, we just update the default settings to our newly created view by clicking on the radio button in the line of the view. To apply your settings, press the Save button. Now you know how to save and manage views. This works for every table view, and is a really powerful feature for personalizing your SAP Business One web client experience. We have successfully learned how to save and manage views in the SAP Business One web client. This playlist covers more standard functions of the SAP Business One web client, so please watch the previous videos to understand the navigation and view concepts more fully. Subscribe for more helpful tutorials, like this video if it was useful, and thank you for watching. Enjoy your experience.